What's up? It's day 4. Today is kind of a sad day. Because it rains, and even though we have a canopy and stuff, it was not really saving us from not being able to run a fire and cook food on it, and also it's sad because we are having a travel alteration plan because of a health situation on my side, which is a tooth emergency. And since it's rainy anyway, so I'll take you through my supplement bag and things I take. Well, it's about to get real personal. But first on the bunch, we have this omega made from algae that's actually vegan. This one right here is designed to take control of fungal levels. I have this probiotic from the same brand. Supplements I showed you and the supplements you're seeing right now is like the difference between a Chanel dress and an H&M dress that looks like it. All right, so you've seen an H&M dress. This is Chanel right here. Well, this right here, this is not made for convenience. This is not made for a great taste. This is bitter. This is concentrated. This is fucking powerful shit. So this is right here. This is chlorophyll. This thing have been really helpful to take the pain off when it comes back. It works really well because chlorophyll has antimicrobial and antiviral properties. Great. This is an amazing alkalizer. We call it sludge. Aramis tried it and he likes it. He felt the effects. And alkalizing is something that you do to again prevent sugar cravings, prevent cravings of simple carbs. See how it is? It's like a very thick. Oh my god, I'm not going to do this. I can't just. All right, fine. Well, at least I can see that nothing is left on my mouth. I love this. This is so good. I got addicted to the taste, even though it's conventionally does not taste good. It's intensely bitter. However, like coffee is intensely bitter too, and we all like conditioned to love it. And laxatives. Okay, so this is our kitchen setup for tonight. The canopy really helps. I'm cooking red lentils because they cook in just 20-30 minutes, and we forgot the lid, so I'm using foil. So I'm basically adding some dry spices that I have in this little spice tower. Those are like jars.
Unbelievable. Really tasty, very hearty. It's good for your soul.